So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is just an update video of a project we're currently working on. So what we've done on this project so far is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, around about 230 bricks in total. What else we've done on this project is we've removed all of the paint from all of the stonework and taken it all back to natural stone. And as you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. The finish is absolutely beautiful. Perfect finish of the stonework, lovely and smooth. Never got to be painted again. As you can see, all of the detail that's gone into this is fantastic. All of the dog teeth all of the way round. Look at all of the detail in that stonework, absolutely stunning. We're also tuck pointing all of the brickwork. So I was just going to show you a bit of the tuck pointing that we're doing so far. So as you can see, lovely white ribbon on all of the tuck pointing all of the way through, complements the stonework really well. Customers are going to have new windows put in next year. We've also taken off all the old window reveals, put new window reveals in up onto the main gable. Again, all that beautiful tuck pointing complements the stonework really well. Lads are doing a fantastic job, a real big job this one. Real challenging piece of work, getting everything back to natural stone. Got to repoint all of the open joints and all of the stonework, but as you can see, the quality of the workmanship once again is first class as always. All of the window sills, we've cut back all of the window sills, squared all of the window sills, made all them perfect and sharp. So as you can see, how lovely and square all of the window sills are now, all the detail on all of the corbels. Customers are over the moon with how this is all going, and once again another job being finished to the highest standard as always. So we'll show you some more progress in the next couple of weeks once the lads get this finished, but so far so good, and another work of art underway. So if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.